Oh no, where did the potty go? Wait, you turned me into a baby? The bottle has to be in the pool somewhere.
Hey, Jack. All right, today's the big day. You're getting a brand new babysitter. You've been giving your babysitters a hard time lately, so I want you to be a very good boy today, so this can be our babysitter for a very long time. Will you be a good boy for Daddy? Okay, I'll bring the babysitter in now.
Hello, Mr. Incredible. And oh, look at Jack. What a cutie pie. I love babies so much. They're so sweet and adorable. And Jack, you're the cutest of them all.
Aw, isn't that nice? Jack, this new babysitter already likes you. He just moved into town and he can't wait to get to know everyone.
That's right, especially this little Jack. We're going to be best friends.
Okay, Romeo, I'm gonna head out now. Just remember to feed Jack and take him to the potty.
Okay, Mr. Incredible. Have an incredible day. He's finally gone. Okay, Jack, listen closely. Here's what is going to happen. You're going to be a good boy and do exactly what I tell you to do. If I do a good job, then your dad will teach me how to be a superhero. And if I learn the secrets of a superhero, then I can take over the world. Ha. This is my greatest plan ever. So first off, I need to feed you. Stay here while I go to get your bottle. I got it. Whoa, this sure is a big bottle for a baby. Okay, you be a good boy and drink this bottle. What's wrong, Jack? You have to have your bottle, or else your dad won't think I'm a good babysitter. Now time to drink your bottle. Hey, wait! Where did the bottle go? Jack, did you do this? Hey, now Jack is gone. Where did you go, silly baby? I don't have time for hide and seek. I need you here to babysit you. Oh no, I better find him.
Oh no, there's Jack. He's throwing his bottle in the pool. Oh, he's such a silly baby.
Hey, Jack, there you are. Did you just throw your bottle down the slide? Why did you do that? Don't you remember that you have to listen to whatever I tell you to do? Now I have to jump into the pool and find his bottle. While I do that, you better go back to the bedroom and wait for me. Here I go. 1, 2, 3, whee! Yuck! I hate swimming, and I don't like getting my awesome haircut wet. But I have to find Jack's bottle, or else Mr. Incredible won't teach me any of his superhero secrets. Here he goes. I know I can find it. The bottle has to be in the pool somewhere. Where is it? Oh, is that it? Yes, I found it. This swimming isn't very fun. I finally did it. Phew, that was close. Now, Jack, that wasn't very nice at all. You can't just do that. Do you promise to be a good baby from now on? Now, have your bottle like a good boy. That should be enough. Now it's time to see if you need a burp. Burp. Whoa, that's the loudest baby burp I've ever heard. Now, what's next? Ugh, what is that smell? Yuck. I think Jack needs to use the potty. All these superhero secrets better be worth all this work. Okay, Jack, here we are. We're at the potty. All you have to do is sit down there on the seat. Then when you're all done, you press the button to flush the potty. Can you do that for me? No? Jack, you have to. Your daddy says you have to use the potty. And remember, you have to listen to me. Hey, Jack, what is this? Why do I have a diaper on? Wait, you turned me into a baby? I'm not a baby. I don't want to use the potty. Turn me back. Turn me back now. That was awful. And it wasn't very funny, Jack. I'm not a baby. You're a baby and you're supposed to use the potty. Now take a seat. Oh no, where did the potty go? You're doing this again, Jack Jack. I don't like hide and seek. Oh no. Now I have to go find Jack Jack in the potty before Mr. Incredible returns.
There is Jack Jack again pushing his potty into the pool. He's making it really hard for Romeo to babysit. I wonder if Romeo can save the potty.
Jack Jack, how many times do I have to tell you to stop disappearing? And what did you do? Did you put something into the pool again? Your potty? Oh no! Now I have to go into the pool and get your potty. You're not being a very good boy today. Now I have to go swimming again. And he knows that I don't like swimming. My hair is going to be super messy. It has to be close. Where are you, potty? There it is, finally. I got it. I got it, Jack Jack. Here's your potty. Wait, Jack Jack? Where's Jack Jack? Don't tell me he's hiding again. Now I'll never learn superhero secrets. Mr. Incredible will be here any minute now, and Jack Jack left again. He probably went to the pool. Where are you? I'll find you soon. Where did he go? I know he's around here somewhere. He always goes to the pool. Jack Jack, where are you? There you are. You shouldn't be in the pool. Get out of here right now. You're going to get me in trouble. Come on, Jack Jack, let's go. No more pool time. We're going home to wait for your dad. All right, Jack Jack, we made it back before your dad. Now no more pool until tomorrow. It's getting late and it's time for bed. Your dad said it's bedtime. Now get in bed, Jack Jack. Rock-a-bye, baby, on the treetop. When the wind blows, the cradle will rock. Ah, he's asleep. Finally, he's asleep. Phew, that sure was a long day. But it's finally over now. And Mr. Incredible is almost here. There he is.
Hey, Romeo, I'm back.
I'm so glad you're here.
Wow, I see Jack Jack is sound asleep. He looks like he has so much fun. Great job, Romeo.
Thanks. Now the job is done. You can tell me about your secrets.
No, not yet, Romeo. You did such a great job, but I have a few more things left to do. So I'll be back later. But since you and Jack Jack have so much fun, I'll let you watch them for a little while longer. When I get back, I'll tell you all about my superhero secrets.
What? No! I can't take babysitting him for a second longer. I don't need to know superhero secrets that bad. I'm out of here.
What? Romeo, come back. Aw, Jack Jack, it looks like you scared off another babysitter. I'm gonna take a lunch break and see what Elastigirl's up to. Okay, everybody. I'm closed for business for 10 minutes. Be back soon.
I was right. Mr. Incredible is nowhere to be seen. This is my perfect chance to ruin Mr. Incredible's ice cream. All of this ice cream looks so delicious. We need to change that. We will make sure the world tastes Screenslaver ice cream. No more vanilla. It's slime time. Who even likes strawberry? Chocolate? Yuck! Screenslaver's blue ice cream is the best. Look at how icky and sticky it is. Oh, this will be the perfect tool to fool all of the superheroes. I just gotta find those Incredibles kids so I can start my evil plan. When I've finished with them, they won't be incredible anymore. Ah, I love a nice calm day in the pool. Especially when we don't have to babysit Jack Jack. This swimming pool float is perfect. You know what would make this day even more perfect? Some of my dad's ice cream right by the pool. Did someone say ice cream? Well, you're in luck, because I just happen to have the best ice cream in town. It's a special flavor that superheroes like you will love. I made it just for you. Go ahead and try it. It's the best flavor ever. I usually just like my dad's ice cream, but I'll try some. Thanks. Ha 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 ha! You fell for it, Violet. Do you feel different? Hey, wait! I don't feel like myself. My superpowers don't feel as super. Let's see if I can disappear. And disappear. Oh no, it didn't work. My powers are gone. Ha 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 ha! My plan worked. Sorry, Violet, but your superpowers don't work for you anymore. You can't turn invisible, but I sure can. Oh no, this isn't good. I don't have any powers. Screenslaver took them. What am I going to do? I can't stop him if I don't have any powers. And the worst part is that Dad is going to be so mad that I got tricked by Screenslaver.
Look out! Here I come on my speedboat! Wow, I sure can go fast! Going fast is my favorite thing to do. I like to run, but zooming around in my boat is even more fun. I'm a little hungry. I better take a break and get a snack. It's getting pretty hot out here. You know what the perfect snack would be? Ice cream! It's sweet, cool, and perfect for summer days on my boat.
Did someone say ice cream? Well, you're in luck because I have 2 scoops right here. This is straight from Mr. Incredible's ice cream truck. Eat it up and it will give you extra energy for driving your boat. You'll go faster than ever.
Wow, that's awesome! Thanks! This looks delicious!
It tastes great too. And just wait to see how you feel when you finish eating this ice cream.
Huh? This isn't right. I feel weird. Like I can't even go fast. Let me see. Okay, and run. It's not working. It's even slower than Violet. This boat can't move fast at all. Something's going on.
Your powers are gone. No more running ever again. I took your superpowers and I'll keep them. Now I'm the one that runs fast. Want to see how fast?
Oh no, what am I going to do? My boat can't go fast, so I'll never catch Screenslaver. I'm going to be stuck here without any superpowers forever.
Oh look, it's my favorite superhero baby, Jack in his crib. Isn't that so cute? I know you're just a little baby, Jack, and I know you don't have any superpowers. But since you're an incredible, I'll give you my ice cream anyway, just to make sure. I can't give it to your mommy Elastigirl because she'd never fall for my tricks. So Jack, this one is yours. Maybe you'll actually like it. Wow, you sure have a big appetite for a little baby. You're eating it so fast. See? All done and nothing happened. It's because you don't have any superpowers. So now we're taken away. But now you will never get any superpowers. Hey, what's going on here? What are you doing, Jack? Are you okay? Jack, what's going on? You're a fire baby. Did my ice cream give you superpowers? Oh no, this baby just got really big. Jack is more than just incredible. I gotta get out of here. Oh no, what did I do? This is the worst day ever. I can't stop Screenslaver and I don't have powers. Someone has to help me. Help! Someone please help me. Huh? Who's there? Whoa, Jack! How did you get so big? Are you using your superpowers again? Well, use them to help me. Give me my powers back, please, Jack. Whoa! Let me see if that worked. Wow, it worked! Awesome! Thanks so much, Jack. But do you know where Dash is? I'm worried about him. Go check on him. Jack is sure a good baby brother.
Oh no, I'm stuck here in the middle of this giant pool in my boat. I can't get out of here if I don't have my superpowers. I need some serious help. Help! Is anyone out there? I need you. Hey, Jack, I'm glad you're here. Whoa, you're really big. But anyway, can you help me? Screensaver took my powers and I'm stuck here. I need your help. Whoa, thanks, but did it work? Let's try. Whoa, I'm faster than ever. It worked, Jack. You're the best. Okay, Jack, you better get back to your crib. I'll see you soon. As for me, I need to make sure my speed doesn't run out. I love riding my boat so fast. Oh, Jack, I brought you a snack. Whoa, baby, you look like you had a crazy day, Jack. How'd you get so big? Well, try this. It's a good thing I brought this for you. This may help you. I brought you my famous Mr. Incredible cone. Maybe this will make you feel better. Did it help? Yep, sure did. I knew it. There's my little Jack back to his normal self again.